Hey everyone, this is Jimmy again with ProScout Hardwood Floor Restoration. Today we're out here in Charlotte, North Carolina, about to do a screen and recoat on about 300 square feet of hardwood floor. Last week we replaced some planks over here in this corner right down through there, about 4 or 5 planks in various areas too, like right here in this room and over there by that outlet plug. We replaced about 6 or 7 planks right there too. We're gonna bring it all the way around through the room, and then we're gonna go out into the hallway and stop at these stairs right here. And we're not gonna go any further than that and then come back through here. We're gonna have to clean these floors first because they're pretty filthy. There goes some scratches right here. The homeowner understand that these are not gonna come out because they don't come out in engineered hardwood floors. So we are gonna get started and I'll be right back with some results.